Hello friends, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the previous couple of sessions where we clearly discussed how do we install Flutter, how do we go ahead with the prerequisites also met, and I explained you the simplest of the content there. In this session, we are going to code our first app with Flutter. Yes, it's going to be easy, and I'm going to do that from the command prompt first, and then I'm going to do it with the proper editor, the VS Code. We are going to use VS Code. The commands that we need to use are Flutter create. Flutter create. This creates. This is the creator command. Then you need to navigate into the directory which you have created, and Flutter devices I have already shown you in the previous session, which will help us to list if our devices are properly connected. Flutter Doctor will help you in debugging. Flutter Run will run the code that you have created. Simple. It's all very simple and easy. Can we see the way things are done here? I'm going to demonstrate in this real time. The first thing that I'm going to do is we are going to use Flutter Doctor to see if everything is right. You can see that it is testing if everything is right and no issues found message has come. Now I must connect my device and see Flutter devices recognizes it. So my device is also clearly recognized, and that's all, it's over. Now I'm going to create my Flutter content. Flutter create demo. This is the first Flutter app I'm creating. It takes about 1 minute in the first time. I have made it a little fast forward here. Now I need to go into the directory which I have created. The name of the directory is demo, cd demo, and you could see that I have gotten into it. Now when I issue Flutter run, that's all, the app gets created. You are going to get your first app tested in your environment that you have created, and it will come on your mobile. It takes about 1 minute in the first time, but next time onwards it will be real fast, and the first time you have to be a bit patient. And you can see that it runs the Gradle task, it will go on, it will keep moving on, and that's going to be very, very simple. So the commands are the most important things that you need to remember, and you could see that the installation will all be proper, it will build it, it will get it done, and you could get the same thing now seen in your mobile. One thing you need to make sure that you need to have a little bit of patience the first time. You may get some errors. Let me know in case you get some errors which you are not able to figure it out. And now see that in this window parallelly, I am searching for the Flutter, and Flutter demo homepage has come. The moment I press on the plus button, the number increases. This is the sample app that they have given in their home site itself. And I keep pressing it, and that's it. It's very, very simple. You could see that, right? So we got our first Flutter app built, but without typing a line of code. That's the best part of it. Now we are going to code it. I'm going to not explain you the code, but instead I'll tell you how exactly we need to use the environment, and then how do we get it reflected in the mobile as a Flutter app. I'll explain you the coding and all those things a little later. I mean, the dot code has to be explained to you, but I'll take a little bit of time for that. We are going to go slow, and this is going to be really nice. Can we see that? First, launch the Visual Studio. We need to go out of the Visual Studio code, and the moment you do that, you get a clear picture about what is it. The ID is very good to use. I have created my Flutter app in the folder, in the directory users Shriram, and inside that I have got my app 1. Flutter create my app 1 was what the command I used, and when you click it, you get all this content on the left hand side displayed, and inside that you see the lib. There you've got main dot. That's the file. That's a file that you need to play around with. I have now created a very simple file which will welcome you. Hello world, I'm Flutter will come, and the name will be, the title will be Shriram Vasudevan. I'll explain you how exactly to use this a little later. Don't worry, the command can be issued right in the console here. You can see that the Flutter run is issued, and it will be running. The same case as we have seen in the past will happen here. So it will assemble, it will build, and finally the app will be ready for you to use. I'm going to show that right now here in the right hand side. You can see that the name of the app I have already told you, it's my app 1. The moment I launched it, hello world, I'm Flutter has come, and I could again show you this. See the content, Shriram Vasudevan is the title that you will get the moment you launch it, and the content is hello world, I'm Flutter. That's all. It's very simple, isn't it? You have done it. Be very happy about it. And I hope this is very clear. In case you have any questions, please go ahead and type it in the comment section. Try it out. This has to be tried. And in case you like the content, please subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you very much. I'll come back to you in the next class with more content. Thank you.